Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designer course and it's online and offline both by Syntax World, and this is the overview about the UI UX. And these are the stats like 100% placement is there, 3 to 5 LP average salary is there, and these are the certified partners, and 4.8 rating on Google and Just Dial, which is good actually. And these are the placement, and these are the tools covered: Photoshop, Illustrator, Figma, Wireframe, XP, Canva, ChatGPT, and almost all the UI UX tools are covered, but they are lacking with the AI tools like InVision, Framers, FigJam, Figma Make, and all. Miro also they are lacking with. So they have already covered the UI UX tool, but they are lacking with the AI tools, which are right now is important. And this is the overview about the UI UX. And 100% placement is there, diploma certification course is there. These are the career opportunities after completion of course. And this is the overview about the company, about the institute, Syntax World. And these are the timings, testimonials. No proper detailing about the structures and fundamentals in terms of UI UX. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, the curriculum will be zero point 0.5 for me. Fundamental is also zero point 0.5 for me because no proper detailing about the UI UX. UI design quality is 1. Handle project is 0. Tools and software training is, I would give 1 because mainly all the UI UX tools are covered rather than the AI tools. Mentorship and feedback is 1. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. And placement and career support is also there. Course value fees is zero point 0.5 for me, as it's a beginner level course, so you can definitely go with this. And industry balance update is also zero point 0.5 for me because it's not a future oriented course, so it's on a beginner level, so it is 7 out of 10. And it's a good course on a beginner level. If you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can definitely go with this course. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers the future orientation in terms of UI UX and covered all the fundamentals and all the parameters in the list. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation in terms of structure, fundamentals, overall the design quality of user interface, and also guide you about mentorship and feedback and placement and career support, and also help you in portfolio development. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.